Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll learn how to make corn dog. First things first, you have to get your ingredients. You have your flour, baking powder, sausage, skewer, and of course your corn flour. In today's video I'll be making use of cowbell milk. So let's dive right into the making process. In a bowl, put in your flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and stir this mixture together. And then I'll be adding in my egg and my evaporated milk. I'll stir this together to get a consistency that will not allow the hot dog to be slipping off. Now you may want to add water just a little bit. Don't make this consistency out of control. Add the water bit by bit. And when we're done, we're going to go into cutting of the sausage. I like to cut my sausage into two. Some like to keep their own whole like that, whichever one you prefer. You can even cut into 3 or 4. If your sausage is frozen, put it in some hot water to defrost it so that you won't end up with cold sausage in your corn dog. You wash your sausage. I like to cut my skewer into 2 for easy frying. So when I'm done cutting into 2, I stick the skewer into the sausage. You might want to coat your sausage in some flour before you dip it into the cornmeal like I'm doing to avoid it from slipping off. And then to fry, you add some oil in your pan and then you fry this on a medium heat just so you will not get a burnt hot dog. You want to fry for about 3 minutes until it's golden brown. As you can see in this video, too much heat and your corn dog is burnt. You can have your corn dog with mayonnaise, ketchup, whatever you want. So I'm going to proceed to plating my corn dog. It's nice golden brown, which I really love. This snack is for every occasion. My leftover cornmeal, I'm going to fry it. You can play around it, have fun while doing it, make it into balls, just fry it. You can give this to kids if you have them around. If you're new here, biggest and welcome hug to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Subscribe.